Can this little bottle really transform an old faded landscape? Stay tuned to find out. Let's get to it. All right, let's start by preparing this stuff. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the 4-gallon tank spur I have right here. Make sure you shake this up pretty good. You want to add 2 to 5 ounces per gallon. Got a little measuring cup. So I'm just gonna do 16 ounces. Make sure you wear gloves. All right, we're back. Let me say, this stuff is amazing, but I do have some issues. I learned some lessons throughout this whole thing, and let me turn this camera around and I'll go over what I learned. Lesson 1, don't use your favorite backpack sprayer. This thing was almost brand new when I used it. That stuff will stain and ruin your backpack sprayer. That's what the outside looks like. The inside's even worse. All right, another thing I learned, let's walk this way. Watch where you're spilling, leaking, dripping. Let's focus right here on my sidewalk. You see all these spots? That was just stuff leaking from the backpack, the wand, sprayer, and I didn't get to it in time. Try to wash it off, and now my sidewalk is stained. Same thing with my landscaping pavers here. All those dark spots on them, same thing happened there. Learned the hard way. I got some over here on the side of the house. Little small spots, but kind of irritating. Use your error. These pavers here, I got a bunch of overspray on them as well. I got some overspray on the fence. For some reason, I just thought it might be able to wash away later on, but it doesn't come off, at least not now. Pretty much all around my fence, I kind of overspray. Most important thing of the lessons learned is that stuff will stain your skin pretty bad. I finally got it to come off my hands, but it had a leak and that stuff ran clear down the back, ruined a good pair of pants, and to say the least, my back is still black. So keep that in consideration. So back to the product. If this stuff lasts, it's gonna be my go-to because every year I spend about $100, sometimes even $200 with new mulch just to get that new look again. And as cheap as this stuff is, it doesn't compare. All right, so this was one hell of a project. Learned a lot of things, great product. And like always, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate you guys leaving the likes, the comments. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.